மாண்புமிகு பாதுகாப்புத்துறை அமைச்சர் அவர்களுக்கும் மாண்புமிகு தமிழ்நாடு முதலமைச்சர் அவர்களுக்கும் நீர்வளத்துறை அமைச்சர் அவர்கள் பொன்னாடை போட்டி சிறப்பித்திருக்கிறார்கள்.
Distinguished Chief Guest of Honorable Defence Minister, Mr. Rajnath Singh Ji, my beloved Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Dalapati M.K. Stalin, my cabinet colleagues, legislators of my state and parliament, and other dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I am great thankful to our Honorable Chief Minister, Dalapati M.K. Stalin, for having given this opportunity to me to welcome our Honorable Union Defence Minister, Thiru Rajnath Singh, in this great occasion. Honorable Defence Minister, sir, I am welcoming you, sir, on behalf of my Honorable Chief Minister and as well as on behalf of people of Tamil Nadu. Kalaignar, entirely called it by the Tamil spread across the globe, is a multi-faceted and magnificent personality. He had a humble beginning, but he rose to the greater heights by sheer hard and sincere work and through his natural argument and wisdom. He was a captivating orator and prolific writer and untiring tall political leader. He had been an unquestioned and opposed president of Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam for nearly half a century. This is a very rare phenomenon seen nowhere in the country in any political party. The DMK, originated by our great Arijan Anna, is not merely a political party but a social movement having its roots in the century-old Justice Party. Kalaignar had a long inning in Tamil cinema, longer inning in politics, and longest inning in Tamil writing by way of literary, political articles, stories, dialogue novels, epistles to the party brethren till its last days. He won all the election he contested. He was a member of Legislative Assembly for 13 times, right from 1957 till his last days. For more than half a century, he was a Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu for 5 times, totally for 19 years. As a Chief Minister, he implemented a number of social welfare schemes, many of them having been introduced for the first time in the country. All schemes, his designs were upliftment of the downtrodden, poor, and for the speedy development of state. Tamil Nadu, in its present form, is mostly due to its excellent and forward-looking administrative capabilities. Though he is always stood for the cause of the backward classes, most backward classes, scheduled castes, and tribes, he treated all equally and affectionately. Autonomy for the state, foremost and primary position for Tamil language, due to the ancestry for more than 3,000 years. True non-violent democracy and secularism were dear to his heart. Considering his remarkable and meritorious contribution to various fields of human activity, long unparalleled public service. It is but on the parts of union government came out with a coin in memory of the loved son of Mother Tamil and darling of the Tamil people. Honorable Rajnath Singh ji, let me share some common future between you and us. My mentor, philosopher, Kalaignar, appointed Justice Rajamanna to spearhead the efforts for attaining state autonomy. Similarly, when you were the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, you appointed Hukum Singh to focus on the welfare of the backward and most backward classes and other marginalized communities. The parallel is our approaches to leadership and servicing is something I deeply admire. Another common thread between us is that we both begin our careers as a student activities. As the Education Minister of Uttar Pradesh, you implement landmark decisions such as the anti-cheating measures, which, if adopted widely, could have been prevented many of the malpractices we see today in exam like NEET. There is also shared history between Tamil Nadu Chief Minister and you. During the emergency period, both of you followed the path of Jaiprakash Narayanan, leading your imprisonment for 18 months as a testament to your unwavering commitment of the democracy justice. While welcoming the Union Defence Minister, I wish to thank him and the Government of India probably for their kind and timely decision to release our coin. Thank you. Once again, I wholeheartedly welcome them.
மாண்புமிகு அமைச்சர் அவர்களுக்கு மனமார்ந்த நன்றி. விருந்தினர்களை சிறப்பிக்கும் தருணம். மாண்புமிகு ஒன்றிய பாதுகாப்புத்துறை அமைச்சர் அவர்களுக்கு மாண்புமிகு தமிழ்நாடு முதலமைச்சர் அவர்கள் பொன்னாடை வழங்கி சிறப்பிப்பார்கள்.